Held in a D.C. jail for 4 days for a crime he did not commit, why communication turned out to be the problem, and what's being done to make sure it doesn't happen again. Metropolitan Police Department promises to rectify a mistake that put a man in jail for 4.5 days. He doesn't speak English. He couldn't explain to them that they had the wrong guy. Stephen Cheetah's live from police headquarters with that story. Stephen.
Gordon, a Korean immigrant who doesn't speak English, is arrested and jailed for 4.5 days by mistake. And tonight, the Metropolitan Police Department is vowing to take steps to prevent something like this from ever happening again.
Jong Lee is a free man today and back on the job, something he feared he would never return to after police burst into his home at 3 in the morning last January and cuffed him.
I asked the police why I was getting arrested in Korea, but there was no answer at all.
Confusion followed by incarceration. First in Fairfax County, then in D.C., Lee languished behind bars for 4.5 days. He has lived in the U.S. for 9 years, but speaks little English. A warrant for robbing a liquor store in D.C. was issued for a man with the same name. Jong Lee is an extremely common name in the Korean community. Lee's ordeal ended when he asked a Korean-American guard why he was in jail.
The guard apparently looked at some computer and said, "Did you rob a liquor store?" And he said no.
Lee brought suit and won the first ever ruling from the Human Rights Commission against a law enforcement agency for language access violation. Now MPD must do more to provide non-English speakers with translators. A spokesperson for the department offered an explanation for Lee's ordeal.
Dispatch requested an interpreter over the air, but no one responded.
Meanwhile, Lee still is waiting for an apology.
I was very nervous, shocked that I had to have this kind of experience.
The legal maneuvering may not be over. Jong Lee and his attorney are exploring the possibility of filing a suit alleging civil rights violation against the Metropolitan Police Department. Reporting live, Stephen Cheetah, ABC 7 News.